Hey guys, so I'm just making some dinner and we're gonna actually have hamburgers tonight, but I didn't have any hamburger buns. So I wanted to show you a really easy no yeast hamburger bun recipe, and it's actually based off of Irish soda bread. So let me show you. So in this bowl I have all-purpose flour. You could use whole wheat flour as well, a couple of tablespoons of monk fruit sweetener or any sweetener, a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and I keep it in here so it doesn't absorb odors. And then just mix all of that together. And then the wet ingredients are a cup and a half of buttermilk, or in my case I did milk plus about a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar to make it buttermilk, coconut oil and an egg, and just mix it all together. And then all we do next is we just combine everything to make a really soft dough and then form it into hamburger buns. Okay, so this is the dough. I just mixed the wet ingredients into the dry and it's all like clumped on the spoon. So all I'll do next is use my hands to make this into a ball of dough. Okay, so this is the dough after it's been formed. I just kneaded it for probably 2 or 3 minutes. It comes together really easily. It's very soft, and all you do now is make it into hamburger buns. Okay, here are the buns I just formed and patted out flat since they're hamburger buns. I'm just gonna top them with a little bit of sesame seeds, and then they can go into the oven. 375 degrees for like probably 15 to 20 minutes. I'll have to see just when they're puffed up and brown. And then they should be done. Just cut them in half and have them for all your hamburger needs. Okay, here are the hamburger buns. I've just taken them out of the oven, and they are firm on the outside, a little bit golden brown, fluffy and doughy on the inside, and golden brown on the bottom. And they're really hot. So there you have it. Yummy, no yeast hamburger buns made in 25 minutes in the oven. That was how long I did it for, and I did take it out halfway and just rotate the pan. But yay, almost dinner time.